Number 1 says which number stories have the answer of 3/4. So circle all that apply. So A says four dogs shared 3 treats. How many treats did each dog get? So there are 3 treats, and we want to divide them among 4 dogs. So remember, another way we can write 3 divided by 4 is 3/4. So number A does work. B says 3 friends share 4 oranges. So we have 4 oranges, and we are dividing them among 3 friends. So again, 4 divided by 3 is the same as 4/3, so that does not work. C says 4 dogs eat 3 dog treats each. So we have 4 dogs, and they have 3 each, so times 3, which would be 12 treats. So C does not work. And D says 4 friends shared 3 oranges. So again, we have 3 oranges, and we are dividing them among 4 friends. So that would also be 3/4. So D works also. Number 2 says estimate and fill in the missing digits. So if I were to estimate, I would round 97 up to 100, and I would round 76 up to 80. Take those zeros away for a minute. 8 times 1 is 8, and then I would add 1, 2, 3 zeros back. So my number should be around 80. So now to actually solve, I start with just the ones place. So 6 times 7 is 42. My 2 is already here. Carry the 4. Then 9 times 6 is 54, plus 4 is 58. So then I move on to my tens place. 7 times 7 is 49. Or I'm sorry, 49. So again, I have to put my 0 first, put my 9, carry my 4. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 4, 67. Then I add them together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry the 1. 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 3, 13. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Your answer is 7,372. Number 3 says complete the table. So here we have exponential notation, and in this column we have standard notation. So 10 to the 0 is a 1 with no zeros, so it's just 1. 10 to the first, again, is a 1 with 1 0, so it's 10. Here we have 2 zeros, so we know our base is going to be 10 with an exponent of 2 for the 2 zeros. 100,000, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, so again we know our base is 10 with an exponent of 5 for the 5 zeros. For 10 million, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So our base is 10. Our exponent is 7 for the 7 zeros. For number 4, it just says solve. So we have 63 divided by 9. So if I look in my 9s column, I'm going to go over till I find 63. Go up. My answer is 7. So now I have 630 divided by 9. So I ignore that 0 for a second. 63 divided by 9 is 7. And then I add that 0 back. So my answer is 70. 630 divided by 90, since I have a 0 here and a 0 here, they completely cancel each other out. So I just have 63 divided by 9, which is 7. Here, I have 6,300 divided by 900. So I have 1, 2 zeros, 1, 2 zeros, which means they completely cancel each other out, which again, 63 divided by 9 is 7. Here, I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. I don't have any over here, so I'm just going to ignore them for a second. 63 divided by 9 is 7, and then I have to add my 3 zeros back, which is 7,000. Number 5 says find the volume of a box with a base area of 24 inches squared and a height of 12 inches. Use the formula volume equals the area of the base times the height. So we know the area of the base is 24 inches squared times the height, which is 12 inches. So we have 24 times 12. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we move on to our 10, so we have to add our 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Add them together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus nothing is 2. So our answer is 288 inches cubed. Number 6 says place the fractions on the number line. So we have 1/2, 3/4, and 1/4. So here's 0, and here's 1. If we want to cut it right in half, we would cut it right in the middle, which is right here. So here is 1/2. So now we have 3/4 and 1/4. So in order to cut the line into fourths, cut here and here. Here's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So 1/4 would go right here since this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So 3/4 would go right there.